ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kú báyà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lò jọ dìgbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn.
I want to explain the powerful assignment that will make you to connect with your destiny helper and to receive an unexpected money. You will be faithful wherever you go. It's not only money, it's not only money. It can work for many things. You understand? What you need is cat's eye seed. We all know cat's eye seed. And this fertility leaf, ewe akoko in Yoruba language. But see, this method is different from the one I explained the other when I asked you to get 7 of this leaf. This one is different. It works perfectly. You are going to bait this once in a month. Once in a month. Once in a month. Are you with me? If you bait this soap, that very month you bait it, God is going to open your ways. Every closed door must open. You will receive an unexpected money by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. You see this cat's eye seed? There is a way you are going to count it. It's not that you are going to pack it as you like. When you open it, you open this cat's eyes. Please, this counting is very important. It's very, very, very important. Very, very important. Don't mix anyone. Don't add and don't minus. If you add or you minus, it's not going to work. Believe me, it's not going to work. This is secret. It's a secret. And you are going to bait this soap on the 8th of every month. On the 8th of every month. Like this month now, you can't bait it again. You can do it down. But on the 8th of every month, you begin to bait this soap. It's very, very, very good and very, very effective. Once in a month. Whenever you bait this soap, everything must change to good by the grace of Almighty God. By the grace of Almighty God. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babiwinje. This is your first time here. Everything I do is to share spiritual tips, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of videos that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, please feel free to call me on the 07037422552 or you message me on WhatsApp 09053332747. So in today's video, I want to explain how to use these two materials to make your destiny helper to locate you, to receive an unexpected money. Are you with me? See, this assignment, believe me, is a secret. If you follow my instruction, you know I told you this thing, there is a way you will count it. You cannot just count it anyhow. Are you with me? And one thing is that this fertility leaf, ewe akoko, the one you need the one that is coming out newly. This one that is coming out newly, You need it as much as you can. You understand? You get it plenty. You don't need all this one. Àwọn eléyìí ti lo gbà tán àti darúgbó. So you need this one that is coming newly. You need them as much as you can. Are you with me? So the counting of this cat eye seed is you will pick 5 from this. You keep 5. You put it aside. You count 2, right? You count 7. You count 4. You count 1. You count 8. You count 5. You count 2. You count 7. You count 4. You count 1, and you count 8. I think you understand how to count it. You are not going to count them together. You count them separate. Are you with me? You count them separately. The first counting is 5. You keep it separately. You count 2. You keep it separately. You count 7. You keep it separately. You count 4. You count 1. You count 8. You count 2. You count 8. Sorry, you count 5. You count 2. Then you count 7. You count 4. You count 1 and 8. Are you with me? So mix them together. When you count all of them, it's going to give you 44, right? 44 is going to give you 44. So when you plus 4 is equal to 8, you understand? This is secret, believe me. See those cat eye seed you count, you are going to pound it. Do not allow any of this cat eye seed to remove. Do not add, do not minus, you understand? And do not count it direct as 44. You must follow this instruction. You count them separate, then you not mix them together. It's a secret. If you count them direct, it's not going to work. Believe me. Try me. Try it. You must count them separately. Then after the counting, you mix them together. You now recount them. It will give you 44. If the calculation is not up to 44, that one is wasted straight away. You have to count another one. It must give you that 44. Abi? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Abi? 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 19 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 plus 5 is equal to 22. 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. 24 plus 7 is equal to 31. 31 plus 4 is equal to 35. 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. 36 plus 8 is equal to 44, right? So you are not going to count them direct. You count 44. If you count it, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. Let me say the other side. You understand? 44 is not going to full work. So when you count them separately, you mix them together, you recount it, it's going to give you 44. You understand? So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So you are going to pound it. You pound it to a powder. Make sure that every of these things is not missing. You understand? You count them very well. You mix it, you grind them to a powder. Then you look for the one that is coming newly from this leaf. Fertility leaf, we are cooking Yoruba language. You get them as much as you can. You mix it with that thing. You grind it. You grind them very well. You grind it very well. You add enough of soap to it. Enough of soap that you can use for a year. You know, I told you, you bait it once in a month. Every on the 8th, you bait it. You understand? So you keep them in a plastic rubber. Are you with me? You can do it early in the month, like on the 1st. So you keep it till 8 days. You understand? On that 8th, you use it. Are you with me? You can also do it anytime you begin to use it on the 8th. So how are you going to use it? In the morning before you go out. In the morning before you go out, you use this soap to bathe once in a month. On the 8th of every month. On the 8th of every month, you will receive an unexpected money. Though I don't normally do this for customers. The reason one is that I know some customer hates to use something like this maybe once in a month, once in a year. You understand? Even me myself, I don't like it. Me sef, I don't like bathing soap continuously for 7 days or 8 days. I prefer to bathe soap once and leave the rest to God. You understand? But sometimes, if it is compulsory to bathe it like that, I will just try myself to bathe it. You understand? So if you can do it and you keep it home, right on the body of the plastic you kept this soap, that you can only bathe this soap once in a month on the 8th of every month. Don't bathe it more than that. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use. You can bathe it. You bathe it in the morning, please. You bathe it in the morning with either warm water or cold water. You understand? And when after bathing, please do not use clothes to mop yourself, to clean yourself. You understand? You can stay under fan so that the breeze will dry it up. You understand? So very simple and very, very effective. If you love this video, please help me to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde.